Good morning, year one, and welcome to our final maths lesson for the year. You've done amazing this year. Really impressed with how hard you've worked in very interesting circumstances. So, final activity this week is going to be, to start with, an arithmetic check. So you're going to need cubes, counters, counting beads, number squares, rulers, or whatever you use to count on. So here that is. So grown-ups, as usual, start the video again when you're ready to go on. Okay, so 13 minus 1 is going to be on number beads, and that's 12. 8 plus 8, double 8 is 16, probably number beads again. Adding nothing to 19 to get 19, you know that by now. 4, if you use your number square, you go down 10 to reach 14. And then we'd use commutative here, so we'd know 19 plus 1 equals 20, so 20 minus 1 equals 19. Counting beads, 13. Counting beads, 9. Pretty much identical to what you've just done there, so that's 19. 9 plus 8 is, again, number beads, so that's 17. And 19, count back 3 to get to 16. 12 minus 11, number beads. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 minus 4 is 7, commutative. 5 plus something equals 12, so count on from 5 to 12, that will give you 7. And 11 minus 7 is also commutative, so it's 4. So that's your start. Okay, so not much to do now. We've got an investigation that you can do online, and then we've got a final Doodle Maths check. So let's have a look at the investigation. Right, what you've got to do today is have a go at sorting these 9 houses in as many ways and as many different groups as you can, working out what they have in common and what's different. So you're trying to put sets. So for example, you might want to have a look at the numbers, the different coloured doors. You might want to look at the number of windows. You might want to have a look at the colour of roofs. But have a go at sorting these as many ways as you can, and use the link online to do this online, because there's a lovely sandbox for you to mess around with these and come up with the groups. And if you can capture or take photos of what you do, that would be absolutely brilliant. Okay, and once you've done that, there is the second task, and that is a Doodle Maths added extra, which is recognizing, creating and describing patterns. And when you've done that, you pretty much have finished the year one curriculum, which is amazing. But what I would suggest you do is don't stop using Doodle Maths and Doodle English, particularly next week. And if you want to, keep using them through the whole of the holidays, and then you'll be even better off when you come back to school in September as big year twos. Okay, so that's the end of the maths lesson, and I can't wait to see you back in school in September. And obviously we'll see you back in school next week anyway.